Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, ghosts, and food, can even wash it.
Rolling Reed Ranch. Rolling with the Reeds. We working though, son. Hashtag we working. That's gonna be my hashtag. That's gonna be our new hashtag. Hashtag we working. So we just doing a little demo. Taking down some old fence that whoever the previous owner had up here. And putting up some new fence. I'm scratching because I'm itching. All up in these weeds and stuff, I'm itching. Really bad. But that's it. Time to get some water. Do you see my sweat just dripping off my head? Hashtag we working, old son. We took all these posts out. Boy, I want to thank God for that tractor because these was concreted in. Yeah, they had cement in them. But a couple wiggles, wrapped the chain around it. Tractor pulled it right out. So we're gonna finish this little corral area he had right here. I don't know what the hell this was for, but we're gonna finish taking this out and we're gonna reuse these posts. These are good 4x4 posts. We're just gonna cut them off right there and they still 6 foot long. We're gonna use it for the H-brace. So yeah, we'll take a little break, get us some water. I don't know if you can tell my hat, well, it's drenched. Let me see. See if you can see something dripping off of it. Oh, here it comes. Just drenched with sweat. We working.
Yeah, trying to get it loose for the tractor.
A little bit. Concrete in on the bottom.
I know what plays sustain them by just the land. Off grid, away from ordinary plans. A real family place where you can also bring your friends. And you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. Yeah, the Rolling Reed Ranch, where they got it all, make you take a second glance. They got horses, ghosts, and food, can even watch the chickens dance. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. Yeah, you can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch. At the Rolling Reed. You can have it all at the Rolling Reed Ranch.
Welcome back. We're back. Now we back to the bracing part of the H-brace. Got another extra hand to help us this morning.
Hey, Jeffrey.
So, like I say, we use these 4-inch by 4-inch square posts that the previous owner had in for his corral. So we went by and measured each post in between. Yeah, we'll measure that one in a minute. But we measured all of them except that one. But we'll measure that one.
Hi. Hello.
Say what's up. There you are. Just Javon Reed.
Look at that. And got Jeffrey.
And Jeffrey. Named him Jeffrey. Seen this video of this guy doing an H brace. Instead, you know, back in old days, well, I did my last H brace. I used to use the rebar, drill a 1/2-inch hole through this post, then a 1/2-inch hole through your brace post. Each way, you know, 10 inches in. So instead of that, we're gonna use these screws. These are the same screws they use to put log cabins together. So this is strong enough.
Dad, you dug a lot of holes.
Yeah, pulled all them posts out. You just missed all the work yesterday.
I know.
All right, hammer it in. Right there. Good job, monster.
Thank you, Dad.
Good job.
Jeffrey, you need to do some work.
All right, put the level on top. Straight down. There you go. All right, right there, right. A little bit. Wait. Come back on this side, Javon. Tap it in a little bit towards Lamar. No, right down here. Keep going. On the money. Good job, monster.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Dad.
Lamar, get the drilling.
Hey, Jeffrey.
Level, buddy. All right, next step. Oh boy, that's solid as a rock right there, son.
Bro, this thing is solid.
Solid. Jump up on it. That baby's solid as a rock. That ain't going nowhere. Solid.
So I can stand on it.
Stand up.
Super solid.
Super solid. Ain't going nowhere.
This thing ain't moving.
Gonna do the
What am I
bracing.
talking about?
First, we're gonna put some staples in. You put a staple at the top and the bottom, which way it's gonna pull. So I'm gonna put one at the bottom here, one at the top there. Got some, what size? These are 1.5-inch staples.
Yep.
Staple up here like this, but you don't hammer it all the way in. Not just yet. All right, leave a little space so you can get the wires through. Put another staple down here at the bottom. Same way you did on that side.
Gotta hammer the staple in.
Don't hammer it all the way in.
So you can leave a little space.
Staples in
Wire.
on both ends. I'm using 14 gauge galvanized wire to brace the H brace. So we got a ratcheting tool to tighten down the wire. First, you just actually put your crimping sleeves on. I like to use 3. I see people use 2. Hey, I like to use 3. Put your crimping sleeves on.
Some people are different.
All right. Then you stick it in and just bend it back on itself. Javon will start talking now. And you slide the other side through the other hole of the crimping sleeve. That's it. Then we crimp them. All right. Now we got the 14 gauge galvanized wire. Ran through the staple right here. Come look right here. Put it through the staple right there so it can freely move around. And put it through the staple, make sure you wire through the staple down there.
Dad, your hat looks like it's wet.
It's soaking wet, probably.
Should have seen it yesterday.
Yep, that thing is wet. Your hat is super wet.
Now that's nice and solid right there, boy. Finish your staples. Finish your staples down.
Can I help with that?
Yeah, you can do that. There you go, it's going in. Keep going. Almost. Couple more. You're doing good.
I'm missing.
It's all good. Uh-oh. Good job. Keep hitting that screw. Good job. Let me finish it off for you a little bit.
It's a little hard.
All right. And that's a proper H brace.
It sure is.
That's a proper H brace right there. Solid. Pull on that, boy. Pull on it. Push on it. You see some movement? All right. It's all good. It ain't going nowhere. We got a corner brace up there, H brace. So we'll do another little short video on that one. I mean, pretty much the same thing. I'm not finna do another video on that. It's the same thing. Basically, if you had a post from here to there, or from here to there, or from here to here, wherever, same thing. 4x4 post in the middle. I use these log screws, log cabin screws, instead of drilling a hole and using H brace. You could put 2 in there. I mean, it's up to you, but man, this thing is solid. They use these to build log cabins. So it's a 10-inch screw. So it's good and solid. 14 gauge galvanized wire. I didn't want to use 12 because I had this 14 gauge laying around. I knew not to use 17 anymore. That wasn't gonna work. But I went with the 14. But these are solid H brace.
Solid.
But yeah, just rinse and repeat.